Want to compress images and also control its quality? Follow these steps. First we will search for the app, Image Compressor from MB to KB. The link for this app is posted in comments. Once you open the app, you have to choose the photo that you want to compress. All you have to do now is put the required size and quality. As you can see, the image is compressed. Make sure that you input reasonable quality and image size. If you want, you can also check in gallery. See, its size has decreased. You've been watching Internetpedia, your go-to place for answers. Got a question or doubt? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.